So, will Tesla's electric vehicle prices drop when they automate production lines with Optimus? Tesla's electric cars will be as cheap as hotcakes once the Tesla bot can truly revolutionize the production line. That is one thing we can promise. Think about it. When Elon Musk saves a large amount of money to pay each Texas employee with an average salary ranging from 78,000 to 130,000 US dollars per year, so just think how much money he's saving. Analysts have calculated and revealed that the potential savings from employing the Tesla bot in the factory could reach up to $83,000 per year, with a paycheck period of just 3.7 years. This makes it an exceptionally attractive investment for Tesla or any commercial manufacturing company. In more detail, when the Tesla bot is capable of performing tasks comparable to humans at a cost of only $5 an hour, it not only carries out those tasks, but operates at a threshold faster pace than humans and requires minimal downtime, taking only 2 weeks for maintenance and replacement of necessary parts. Over a span of 10 years, the estimated cost savings amount to $205,166.